I've been praying to God since 1964 to become the Oba of Lagos.
Welcome to Omonaja. On today's countdown, we will be looking at the top 10 richest kings in Nigeria. But before we start, be sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for more interesting videos. Number 10. Benjamin Ikenchukwu, the Dean of Agba, with a net worth estimated at $20 million. The Dean of Agba, His Royal Majesty Benjamin Ikenchukwu, was born in July 1977 and is also the youngest monarch in Nigeria. He was appointed a Chancellor of the University of Ilorin, one of Nigeria's most prestigious universities. He schooled in Europe and is an officer of the Order of the Crown of Belgium and the Vice Chairman of the Delta State Traditional Rulers Council. The royal leader of Agba, a town in the oil-rich Delta State. He was crowned when he was 2 years and 4 months old, following the sudden death of his father. He entered the Guinness Book as one of the youngest monarchs in history. The Dean of Agba cruises around in a black Mercedes-Benz S550. Number 9. The Olu of Warri, with a net worth estimated at $30 million. Godfrey Emiko, the Olu of Warri, falls among the richest kings in Nigeria. The Olu, who has his domain in the Niger Delta region of Nigeria, known for its abundance of petroleum and mineral resources. Olu of Warri is one of the simplest kings in Nigeria. He doesn't need fancy cars to show off his wealth. Number 8. The Oba of Lagos, with a net worth estimated at $40 million. Rilwan Babatunde, born the 29th of October 1943, is the incumbent traditional Oba of Lagos. He served for 32 years in the Nigerian police force, entering the force in 1970. He served in various capacities, was promoted to Assistant Inspector General of Police in 1999, and was active until his retirement in 2002. The Oba of Lagos is one traditional ruler we cannot overlook. He is just as wealthy, having a net worth estimated at over $40 million. His palace is worth over 2 billion naira, and is one of the most expensive in Nigeria. The Oba rides around in a 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550. Number 7. Oba Adeyemi, the Alaafin of Oyo, with a whooping net worth estimated at $40 million. Born the 15th of October 1938, the Alaafin, or traditional ruler, of the Yoruba town of Oyo, and rightful heir to the throne. The Alaafin of Oyo is the 7th richest king in Nigeria. Lamidi's father was deposed and exiled in 1954 for sympathizing with the National Council of Nigerian Citizens. The Alaafin of Oyo ranks as the second most influential king in the Yoruba land. His net worth is estimated at over $40 million. Number 6. The Obi of Onitsha, with a jaw-dropping net worth estimated at $50 million. King Alfred, born the 14th of May 1941, is a royal and the 21st Obi of Onitsha, in Anambra State, southeastern Nigeria. He has been the Chancellor of Ahmadu Bello University since 2015. He also serves as the chairman of the board of directors of Unilever Nigeria, and the chairman of International Breweries, before emerging as the Obi of Onitsha. In 2002, he had a long and distinguished career in the Royal Dutch Shell Group, serving as director in various companies in the group. Being among the top 10 richest kings in Nigeria, the Obi is worth over $50 million and rides around in a Rolls-Royce Phantom. Number 5. The Oba of Benin, with a net worth estimated at $60 million. The Oba of Benin was born the 20th of October, 1953, and was crowned on the 20th of October 2016. He is the 40th Oba, a title created for the Emperor of the Benin Empire between 1180 and 1300. The Oba of Benin worked at the United Nations between 1981 and 1982. He also served as Nigeria's ambassador to Angola and Sweden, with accreditation to Norway, Denmark and the Republic of Finland. The Oba was also Nigeria's ambassador to Italy. The Oba of Benin is one of the most influential king in the country. He wields power and influence that cannot be undermined. With a net worth estimated at $60 million, the Oba owns a Rolls-Royce Phantom 2016 model, which is said to have cost the king a whooping 150 million naira. What do you think? Number 4. The Uni of Ife, with a net worth estimated at $70 million. The Uni of Ife is a Nigerian monarch. He is the traditional ruler of the Yoruba kingdom of Ife. He has held his title since 2015. The list of the richest kings in Nigeria will not be complete without the Uni of Ife. The Uni ranks as one of the most respected rulers in the world, and holds a lot of power and authority in the Yoruba land. Besides his royal status, he is a successful real estate tycoon, and the Chancellor of the University of Nigeria. His net worth is estimated at about $70 million, making him the fourth richest king in Nigeria. The ruler owns fleets of exotic cars, but the most magnificent of them all are his Rolls-Royce Phantom and Bentley. Number 3. Muhammadu Sanusi, with a net worth estimated at $80 million. Muhammadu Sanusi is the third richest king in Nigeria. Born the 31st of July 1961, is the 14th Emir of Kano, who was crowned on the 8th of June 2014, after the death of his granduncle, Adubero. Muhammadu Sanusi is the second most powerful emir in northern Nigeria. Time magazine listed him on its list of the 100 most influential people of 2011. Sanusi is the grandson of Muhammadu Sanusi I, the 11th Fulani emir of Kano. Emir Sanusi was a banker and former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria. As a banker, Sanusi received 2 awards from the Banker magazine, Central Bank Governor of the Year, and Central Bank Governor of the Year for Africa. The emir is said to have one of the most expensive car collection in Nigeria. Besides his vintage Rolls-Royce, the emir also owns a Rolls-Royce Phantom. Number 2. The Sultan of Sokoto, with a net worth estimated at $120 million. The list of the richest kings in Nigeria can't be complete without the Sultan of Sokoto, the most powerful ruler in northern Nigeria. Sultan Saidu Abubakar, born the 24th of August, 1956, is the 20th Sultan of Sokoto, head of Jamaat Nasrul Islam, and the President General of the Nigerian National Supreme Council for Islamic Affairs. Sultan Saidu is the 20th Sultan of the Sokoto Caliphate, and ascended the throne in 2006 following the death of his brother, Sultan Mikado. As Sultan of Sokoto, he is considered the spiritual leader of Nigeria's 59 million Muslims. The Sultan served in the military and retired as a brigadier general. The Sultan owns fleets of exotic cars. However, the most remarkable one is his Rolls-Royce 2017 model. Number 1. Oba Abataru Akin Rutan, the Alugbo of Ugbo, with a jaw-dropping net worth estimated at $300 million. Frederick Abataru Akin Runtan, born 1950, is a Nigerian monarch and the traditional ruler of Ugbo Kingdom, in Ondo State. He is an oil magnate and founder of Abatoil, one of Nigeria's largest and leading privately held oil companies. Forbes estimated his net worth at $300 million. Abataru is ranked by Forbes magazine as the second richest king in Africa and the richest in Nigeria. The Alugbo of Ugbo is super rich and not afraid to show it off. Abataru is the first black person to buy the 2014 model of Bentley Mulsanne, valued at over 100 million naira. So, now that you know the top 10 richest kings in Nigeria, tell us what you think about this video in the comment section below.